Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a collab actually, and this is actually going to be like me talking. It's be like I'm not going to be like writing down like my sticky notes or whatever, because I kind of just want to talk, because I haven't talked to you guys in forever, it feels like. So yeah, anyway, this is actually going to be a collab with two other absolutely amazing people. So the first one is BABYBLUSH321, and she has actually got a USA account called COLLAB, and I have done a collab with her in the past before. I think I did it the other day, like day before yesterday or the day before that or something, but it was really recent, and I really enjoyed making that collab. So I'm so excited to be collabing with her again, but this time I'm also going to be collabing with BABYBLUSH321, which is another absolutely amazing person. She's actually my forfeit. She is such a good friend of mine, and we've just like clicked. Like, we only became friends yesterday, but ever since we've just like clicked, and oh my gosh, she's just again another amazing person. So go friend BABYBLUSH1235 and BABYBLUSH321, because they're absolutely amazing people. They're both super kind, and yeah, I love them to pieces. And then if you want, you can go obviously subscribe to their channel. You can go subscribe to BABYBLUSH, BABYBLUSH's channel. Yep. Blush X MSP. Go subscribe and make sure to check out her video to this collab when it's up. And this is BABYBLUEYES his channel, aka Kyla Bear. I made her this really cool banner, and I'm obsessed with it, and she likes it as well, so I'm super happy about that. But yeah. Anyway, so for this collab, we are going to be doing a style swap. So I'm going to be style swapping with BABYBLUSH. Her like kind of style is more like Tumblr, you know, kind of like grey Tumblr, and yeah, and I believe Kyla is going to be style swapping with me, and BABYBLUSH is going to be style swapping with Kyla, and we're going to be like a little threesome thing. Yeah, anyway, I'm so excited. So I'm just going to be trying to make a look that is kind of her style. I'm so excited. So I have already looked, so I'm not going to bother gonna look, but as I said, it's just like grey and Tumblr, and I am just so excited. So I'm just going to go straight on to shopping. As you can tell, my style is kind of more girly Tumblr, as you can tell also from previous videos. So starting off with the hair, I know she has this hair which I think she's wearing it right now, and I kind of want to get it anyway, and I want to get it in the exact same color as she has, because I actually kind of like it. But let me just remove everything. Okay, so this is the hair she's currently got on at the moment. I believe it's in like, what pink? It's like in some sort of pink. I believe it's like that pink, and oh my god, like, I'm just gonna do it because I feel like this is just so her. This hair, like, whenever I think of hurricane, I always think that I don't know, in my opinion, I think it's really her. So I'm just gonna be wearing this one, I think, for now. I don't know, I might change it at the end, because I don't know, but we might not go with the outfit, but I think that's the one I'm going to be having for now. So going on to tops, we need to look for a really nice kind of Tumblr kind of theme top. I almost want to do like a top and a jacket, that kind of thing. I have no idea though. So Kyla also told me she likes to wear like grey and quite a bit, so maybe I should have a grey top, maybe, or like black. I think I should do black, maybe, actually. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna find like a kind of, yeah. I'm just gonna find a jacket to go with it, because I feel like every look needs a jacket. Maybe we should do this in grey. That looks like a bit weird. No, that looks a bit weird. I don't think that's very hard either. Maybe this. She has quite a few burgundy like clothing. I don't know, this is actually quite hard, because obviously I only got to know her recently, so I do know what her style is, but I do know, but like I don't, but I do. Like, I do know what her style is, otherwise I won't be doing this video, but like, it's still kind of hard, because I might just leave it at that, and I kind of want to do like shorts, and you know, like where you have tights and maybe like a jacket around their waist or something. Oh yeah, jacket around their waist, that is what I want to do. I want to try and find a jacket that I can put around the waist. Okay, so I just found this jacket, which I think I'm going to be using. I don't know what colours to do it in though. Should I do it in like grey maybe, with some? Okay, this BABYBLUSH right now might be like, oh my god, what are you doing? This is like, she might not like it, but I'm trying my best. You know, I'm trying my best. Honestly, this is actually so much harder than it. Like, oh my god. Okay, I might just keep it denim. You know, I have no idea. I'm just going to find out the basic outfits, and I might go back and change the colours after, actually. So moving on to, like, shorts. Maybe that? No, that you can't even see that. I need some, like, long, but, like, not long shorts. Like, I don't know, this is, as I said, super hard. I kind of almost want to use one of these ones and change the colour of it to, like, a plain colour. They might look quite nice. Like that, but I don't know if they really like her style. I am literally like, I have no idea. Like, I want like a long pair of shorts, but I don't want them to be like long, but I want them to be long enough so you could like still see them like underneath the jacket around the waist, because I really like that kind of look. And I feel like I don't know if she's got this look. Like, honestly, I've looked for her profile, I kind of know what her style is, but like, I don't know if she's got actually any of these things apart from hair, but I don't know. They're quite long, aren't they? Oh, no. They're kind of long, but then they're not really, they're not like the pretty, well, I mean, they are really pretty, but they don't really go, like, I want denim, almost, in a way. I think I'm just going to leave it, this is like white skirt. I'm going to probably end up changing it, but I'm going to keep it at that for now. And I don't know what shoes to do, because I have no idea what shoes she likes. So we're just going to, like, roll with it. I don't know, does she like trainers? Does she like heels? I don't know. I didn't even like look at that. So yeah, that's kind of awkward. Actually, if we go onto her YouTube channel, we might get somewhere. I think I've kind of gotten somewhere. I've already bought this skirt by accident, so yeah, that happened. But I don't know. Maybe I should do this white, but that's not really. I feel like, I don't know, I'm just going to keep it black. But yeah, this is the outfit that I have chosen for her, so I'm going to now buy it. And I'm just going to quickly look on, oh my god, I look actually, oh my god. Okay, so we're just going to look and see how well I did. Okay, ignore like what, this, oh my god, I look so bad right now. Like the hair. Oh my god, she let it, oh my god. That is so cool. I feel her tone. Oh my god. Okay. So I'm just going to now remove the things that I do not need. And I am going to be seeing. I think I might add some like tights actually, like them. I've got some, I swear. I think I've got some. Find a top, but I don't. What makeup does she have? Like, because I think I may be able to compromise. She has like a beigey color, so I'm just gonna quickly change the color of my lips. So like, so yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I did well. I don't know. It probably was like not really the best, but I tried my hardest. And yeah, as I said, don't forget to check out their channels and their videos. This collab. Yeah, I love you all, and I see you all in my next video. Bye guys.